Hey everyone, welcome back to SQL tutorial series. This is part 5. In today's video, we will learn some really important SQL concepts that are used in almost every data analysis query. We will cover sorting data, distinct, aggregate functions, and maybe group by. So let's get started. Firstly, we will see sorting data. For sorting the data, we use order by. Sorting, it helps us arrange the result set in either ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. So the order by clause, it is used, let me write here, it is used to sort the result by one or more columns in ascending or descending order. And one more thing to keep in mind is, by default it sorts in ascending order, and for descending we use descending. Okay, we'll see example here. So in the previous video, the data set which we have uploaded will continue on the same data set. So the first question here is, select all employees whose salary is greater than 30,000 and they are from department 1 or department 4, and sort the data in increasing order of salary. So first we will see this data is present in which table. So employee table, we have salary here. So we will write the query as select star from employee. This is clear from which table we have to take the data is it is from employee table, where salary is greater than 30,000 and they are from department number in 1, 4, and we have to order it, sort the data. So we will use order by in increasing order of salary. So order by salary, order by salary. And we'll run the command. So we are not writing anything here, ascending or descending. So by default it will come in ascending order, that is from smaller to larger. We'll run this and see. So it is showing some error because I think we have to run this again. Use company database and then we'll run the command which we have written. See, now it is running. So we can see the salary is greater than 30,000 here, and it is from department 1 or department 4. So we can also write here simply select star, that is all, we have to select all the rows. Select star from employee table and we have to order by salary in ascending order. So this it will arrange it in ascending order of the salary. That is the salary is increasing as we are going downwards. Similarly, we can use similarly if we will not write ascending, then by default it will arrange itself in ascending order. See the salary, it is increasing, same. And now we will see the descending one. So if we will write descending here in place of ascending, then we can see it will arrange itself in descending order, that is from larger to smaller salary. Here we can see highest at the top, highest salary is at the top, and the lowest one is at the bottom. So it has arranged itself. So we use order by clause for ordering the data in a column. Now next we can next question is select piano and hours from works on table. So we'll see works on table first. Okay, employee ID and number of hours working here. So the next question is select P&O and hours from works on table. So we'll write the structure select star from works on table where hours is not null. Okay, where hours is not null and P&O is greater than 5, then we have to sort the data based on hours in descending order. So order by hours in descending order. We'll run the query. Oh, sorry. We'll run it, and you can see it is the hours is in descending order. Sorry, not greater than, and the P&O is less than 5. Okay. So select star from works on table where hour is not null and P&O is less than 5. Order by hours in descending order as the question demands. The query will be like this, and you can see the result here in the table. So next we will see the distinct keyword. Sometimes a column contains duplicate values. Okay, so we only want to see unique ones. For that we use distinct keyword. The distinct keyword is used to return. It is used to return only unique, means different values from a column. So suppose the question is how many distinct departments are there in department table. So firstly we will see the department table here. Department table is this, and now we'll see the question what are the distinct values in relationship column in dependent table. So for this we can write select distinct relationship from dependent, and you can run this. See, daughter, spouse, son. So these are the distinct relationship. What are the distinct project number in a project numbers in works on table? So we can write select star from works on to see the column, original column name. Now we can write this, the code, required code. Select distinct project number PNO from works on. See, so we got the distinct project number which is present in works on table. Okay, now aggregate functions. Let's move to aggregate functions. Okay, so aggregate functions, now let's see, these are used to perform calculations on a set of values and return a single value. Here some of the most commonly used aggregate functions are count, which is used to count the number of rows. Then another is sum, which is used which adds up numeric values. Then one is average, it calculates the average. Then minimum is there and maximum is there. As the name suggests, it finds the smallest value, and this one finds the largest value. So these are the 5 main aggregate functions which are used. So we will see the examples. How many rows are there in employee table? So firstly we will write select how many. So count rows are from employee table. We'll use as number of rows. So there are total 8 number of rows. Then another question, how many rows are there in dependent table? So we'll write similar code, select count star as number of rows from dependent table. So how many rows are there? We can see 7 number of rows are there. Similarly, if we want to print all the distinct departments, how we can print? Select distinct departments. This table, department means dname, distinct dname from department table. So we got this. How many distinct departments are there in employee table? So we can write select count count distinct how many departments belong from employee. So there are distinct three I can use areas as number of distinct departments. So this one was used above also, where we were using count function. Now you can understand this is an aggregate function, and distinct is used for to find out the distinct department numbers from employee table. Now if we have to find out the minimum and maximum, we can write select minimum of salary and maximum of salary from employee table. So select minimum of salary and as we should write as minimum salary and maximum of salary as maximum salary, comma, we can write sum of salary as total salary and average of salary as average salary from employee table. Run this code. So some error is there and is not used, comma will be used here. Now I will run this. What's the error now? Select minimum of salary as minimum salary, maximum salary as maximum salary comma, sum of salary as total salary, average of salaries from employee. Now it is correct. C. Similarly, another question is find what is the minimum and maximum hours someone has spent on project. So select minimum of hours as minimum hours, maximum of hours as maximum hours from works on table. Works on table. Run this code. We got minimum and maximum hours. So these are the questions you can practice, and it requires a lot of practice and patience also, because initially you will get error. In one go you will never get the results. So it is very important that you should practice and learn from the mistakes. Then only you will get to learn the commands of SQL. So in this video we learned about sorting data using order by, removing duplicates using distinct, summarizing data using aggregate functions, and in the next video we'll see group by. So these are some of the most important and powerful SQL features used by data analysts every day. In the next part, we'll learn having clause, limit, and so on. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more SQL tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.